throughout your I want to say your beauty pageant journey,
Yeah.
how
From a very disciplined background, my parents are very steadfast in discipline, in love, and empathy, and generally just being a good and a kind person. So, the fact that I have such a strong background and such a steady background and a steady family that's always keeping me grounded, and people that are always reminding me that I'm just a human being and nothing extraordinary actually. Just that I like to laugh a lot and I play around a lot. I love my family and my friends, and I'm really just the girl next door. And I just decide to go for it all the time.
so how do you maintain that personality of yours? Who is the real Mrs. Africa?
I'm such a goofy person. Behind the sash and the glitz and everything that you see outside is just a girl next door who has big dreams, who loves what she does, who loves her country, who loves
It's really heartwarming, especially for someone like me who one day would love to have the impact that you have had on the Instagram and of course outside of Instagram.
Thank you so much.
I've seen a few of your work, I've browsed through a few of your work.
Can you hear them?
Yes.